In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Jira. This process is designed to help you streamline your project management by allowing you to use both tools in a more cohesive workflow. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to these platforms, this simple guide will walk you through every step needed to seamlessly connect Asana with Jira in just a few minutes. First, let's start by heading over to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Log In button, which you can find conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on that will prompt you to log in, and for a quicker process, you can click on Continue with Google. If you go with this option, make sure to select the account associated with your Asana projects. After you're successfully logged into Asana, the next step is to navigate to your specific project. You'll find your project listed on the left panel of the Asana dashboard. Selecting it will take you to your project board where we can start the integration process. Once you're on your project page, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Customize button. This will open up various options to tailor your project settings to your liking. Next, from the customization options, select Apps. This is where the magic begins, as it allows us to integrate third-party applications like Jira with Asana. In the Apps section, there's a straightforward option you'll see called Add. Click on this, and it will display a list of available integrations. Scroll through until you find Jira Cloud. Selecting Jira Cloud is crucial, as it's the specific version that will allow for seamless integration with Asana. After selecting Jira Cloud, you'll need to add it to your project. To do this, click on Add to Project. A prompt will then appear asking you to connect with your Jira account. Make sure you're connected to the correct Jira instance that you wish to sync with Asana for accurate data and task synchronization. Once connected, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Asana with Jira. This integration will let you manage tasks, track progress, and enhance communication between teams using both platforms. By following these steps, your projects now benefit from real-time updates across both Asana and Jira, making your project management more efficient and effective. So that's it. Integration complete, and you're ready to enjoy a more streamlined, productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials.